Alright guys, so today we just wrapped up a nice project, pretty good size. We had to do some grading around this house. We put in a new driveway, parking area. We hauled in some topsoil. This house is right on the lake. It's a real nice spot. This is all prep for concrete. This will all get concrete poured down to that stone. We spread a bunch of topsoil around the septic tanks, which are up here. One right there. There. We regraded this whole yard. Got the lake right there. In the backyard, we did a little bit of grading. There's a couple big humps in the backyard. We had the mini here, and we graded this all out. Eventually they'd like to put a fireplace, some chairs right here. So this is all nice and graded out for them. Today is Monday. We started this project last Friday. So yeah, this is kind of a walk around what we've been doing on this project. I'm gonna set up a little time lapse of us hauling that skid steer home. Dad just left. He hauled me the last load of stone. I spread that out and he went to go get truck and trailer. So thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already.